Hi everybody, and welcome to a brand new series called Ratchet and Clank. Never played it before, but I'm experiencing it right now. Let's go.
In conclusion, I humbly accept this award for subduing the insidious light-eating Zagroot against near impossible odds. How's that sound?
Pork doesn't.
Alright, here we go.
In conclusion, I humbly accept this award for subduing the insidious light-eating Zagroot against near impossible odds. How's that sound?
Pork doesn't accepting an award for something you didn't do make you feel the slightest bit deceitful?
That depends. Does deceitful mean impressive? Heroic? Awe-inspiring? Fine, I don't care what it means. We're talking about a light-eating Zagroot here. You know what this will do for my approval rating?
I never even heard of an intergalactic tool of justice award. Who did you say invited you?
I don't know. The guy was all cloak and dagger on the phone, but I'm sure the whole thing's on the up and up. Look at him, peacefully slumbering in the warm embrace of cryosleep.
I don't know about this. Maybe we should call Kronk and Zephyr.
Oh, Ratchet, so young, so unused to the spoils of do-goodery. Don't worry, when you're a hero, you'll understand. House lights?
Hello, Mr. President! So kind of you to accept my invitation.
Dr. Nefarious. I was wondering when you'd be showing up. Is that your new space station? Looks a little smaller than the last one.
Oh, you're hysterical. Let's see you crack jokes from inside the digestive tract of a sucker road.
blanket to read on the medicine. Apologies, sir. I think it's time to tender my resignation. We must stop the Zagroot before he destroys the city. This one's mine. Hey, that's my ship!
Hello, I'm Kip Darling,
And I'm Pepper Fairbanks.
and we're coming to you live from Luminopolis, where Dr. Nefarious has just released a lightning Zagroot upon the city.
The latest attack from the diabolical doctor couldn't have come at a worse time. Currently, the entire Polaris Defense Force is off on a field trip to the single and hating it speed dating convention in Meridian City.
Well, let's hope they find love, Pepper. And now, back to the mauling.
Done, Ratchet. Nice!
The depravity of this creature knows no bounds, folks. He just destroyed Rusty Pete's healthy hamburger shack. Its vegan wheatgrass and tree bark burger was a favorite of hipsters everywhere.
It appears the Zagroot has just routed one of the city's luminoid conduits. Engaging target.
I'm over here! the airway. Come on, we gotta catch up.
Yep. I don't know what to expect for this game. Never played any ratchet
I'm the
game,
hook
so
shot.
I'm experiencing that along the way. I've switched.
Yes, I'm good.
It looks like our heroes have commandeered an air taxi in order to catch up to this group. A bold move. Let's hope it ends in something that boosts our ratings.
The steering's out. Shift your weight. It'll bend the gravity coils. Watch out for the air cars.
Here's an interesting fact. This is the seventh massive creature of destruction President Clark has helped unleash upon a major city since his inauguration.
He's destroying the city. I see him. Come on, we're close.
Now that was a close one. This might be a good time to mention our sponsor, Proton Paul's Lunar Funeral Home.
Grinding?
Don't settle for a boring afterlife. Spend eternity spinning in your grave. Thanks to Proton Paul's Zero G.
Whoa.
This is an interesting development. It appears that strange, unidentified robots have teleported to city limits. I'm no expert, but they don't appear to belong to Dr. Nefarious.
One can only surmise that these robots have chosen to take advantage of our distraction within a group and invade our city.
Doing good, pal. I have your back, Ratchet. Hey, get away from my pal. Now that's what a conversation is for. Mike!
Looks like our heroes. Greetings, citizens, and thank you for taking part in Friendship Through Firepower. Are you ready to get certified? Since this is just a recording, I'll assume you said yes. Oh, this is awkward. You don't have enough hope for that one. Why not try one of our gently used police blasters? This automated training program will teach you how to use your new combustors. And holstering your weapon. Okay, safety precautions, disclaimers, warnings, yada yada yada. Aha! Okay, step one. Fire! Impressive shooting, citizen. You mastered the same technique I employed when I vanquished Dr. Nefarious. One thing that surprised me when I first became a hero was how much people don't enjoy getting shot. If your target refuses to stand still, try locking onto them with your weapon. Rusty. Chances are you'll need assistance from time to time. Try firing your combustors at once to deliver a supercharged blast of power. Congratulations, citizens. You are now certified to carry a weapon inside city limits. Thank you for your participation in the Friends Through Firepower Initiative. Have a truly awesome day.
Of the wrong robot. Yes!
The Zagroot has just been sighted making its way towards the Luminopolis power plant, and it looks like the unidentified robots are following. They must be here for the Zagroot. Kid, you can come out from under your desk.
I follow the truth wherever it leads, Pepper.
Looks like our heroes have acquired some new firepower. Do you think you'll be able to ambush the Zagroot?
Every marriage is telling me anything. It's the deception and surprise are the key ingredients to any successful offensive.
Yes! Nice! More ammo. My robot friend, we do not wish to fight you. Found ammo! Yes! This one's mine. Deploying offensive tactics. I am on fire. You ready, pal? Get ready, ratchet.
Let's take this moment to check in with Born Garblack about the mysterious robots tracking the Zagroot. Minister Garblack, any ideas as to who owns these robots?
Our analysts are working on it, Pepper. It is quite possible that the group belongs to these robots and that they come to retrieve it. Until we learn more, I advise all citizens to remain in their homes.
Oh, thank you, Minister Garblack.
We got ammo here. better find some nanotech. Oh dear, this does not look good. Nice! Wow! I will help you, Ratchet. Found ammo!
The fight is on. The entire city watches with bated breath as perhaps the strangest team in Polaris history works to defeat the deadly lightning group.
Just a reminder, tonight's battle to the death is brought to you by the Dallas Robo Back and Jason Superstore. A new Robo technique.
Feels so good.
Doctor, you would think one of leave the room for this. Ratchet appears to be in a bit of trouble.
I might be mistaken, but I believe destroying those generators would prevent this group from hitting himself.
There's no room for speculation in this game, Pepper. And down he goes. The Super has been defeated. I tell you, ladies and gentlemen,
And there has been a lot of them.
our station patrols are still taking count, but it appears that we're looking at billions of volts worth of property damage.
A city in shambles, a galaxy in debt, and a lavish Meridian City retreat forged from expensive...
And down he goes! Mr. Group has been defeated! I tell you, ladies and gentlemen, this newsman hasn't seen anything like this in all his years in the industry.
And there has been a lot of them.
Our station patrols are still taking count, but it appears that we're looking at billions of volts worth of property damage.
A city in shambles, a galaxy in debt, and a lavish Meridian City retreat forged from expensive raritanium. All this begs the question, has the galaxy had enough of Copernicus quark?
Holy fuck!
That
Wait, this fight may not be over. Mr. Group is back, and boy, does he look angry. I can barely watch, folks. The monster is breaking through everything in its path with bloodthirsty resolve. It's like watching some elderly cat lady on Black Friday as she claws her way mercilessly toward the last pair of duck-cleaning underwear.
Our heroes may be in real trouble. This group does not seem to be giving up.
Perhaps we can make use of those fusion turrets.
Looks like the heroes are attempting to use the fusion turrets on top of Dog Tower.
Citizens will remember former Minister of Defense Artemis Shaw.
Your enemy refuses to come out from behind cover. Try your hand at the plasma bomb launcher. This Duwani launch grenades armed with unstable plasma.
For an added kick, try firing multiple plasma bombs at the same target. Gotta love these new toys. I detect trouble ahead.
I think it's safe to say this group has found our protectors.
Nice. Forever.
We're blank. Let's hope we find some nanotech soon.
Fly! Look! The Defense Force installed fusion turrets on top of Zog Tower.
It looks like the heroes are attempting to use the fusion turrets on top of Dog Tower.
Citizens will remember former Minister of Defense Artemis Shaw had been installed in the event of an attack by Dr. Nefarious. How's that for irony?
I have your back,
I think it's safe to say this group has found our protectors.
I don't feel so good.
Doctor, you would think what a read the room for this. Branson appears to be in a bit of trouble.
I count ammo.
Where should find some nanotech?
Ready, pal? I am ready.
This group's taking a beating, but it's not ready to quit just yet. Let's hope it doesn't find another power source before our heroes can get their final licks in.
What's that, Harvey? Our station manager, Harvey, has just pointed out that a new luminoid generator has been installed on that building.
Well, that certainly complicates things. This is it, folks. The culmination of a citywide pursuit between the heroes of Polaris and a light-eating Zagroot. Can they survive a battle to the death with one of the galaxy's most dangerous predators?
According to our multiple, the answer is yes. They cannot. And the Zagroot is down for the count. Absolutely incredible. We'll be right back after this word from our sponsor.
Well, it's been a lot of fun catching up, but I gotta go.
Not so fast, Nefarious. You've done some underhanded things in your time, but this beats all. I'm starting to think there may not even be an intergalactic tool of justice award.
Ladies and gentlemen, your president.
What now?
Not one of mine.
Ratchet and clank. Or for what?
Disengaging primary cryo feed.
Frank, get the light, would you? Oh boy. Frank, where are we? I do not know. Have you located Core?
Little help here, someone? I think my thing is broken.
Oh, perfect. Can this get any worse?
Hold me like you used to before you became a flesh-eating zombie.
Quark, would you?
You wit. There they is. Pushy hands on me. I get down from here to refuse it. What you doing up there?
Hey, little girl. Can you get us out of here?
Hi, come back. We should go before she finds out you're here. Come on, head through the Sector 7 air vent, and we'll rendezvous on the south side. A galactic scout never leaves before her mission is complete.
I'm over here.
Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this episode, please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys on the next one.